The new Starlight, orange, and green loops for Apple Watch Ultra. They're $99 at Apple and available in small medium or medium large. I'm wearing a small medium. It looks like a brick on my wrist, but I love it. Today we're unboxing it and showing you how it looks with as many angles as possible. Plus matching watch faces so you see if it works for you or not. Then I'll do an even more detailed video later on when I have all the Ultra watch bands. Those of you who know me know how far I go with watch bands. Give this a like if it helps, and subscribe for more. First up is Green Alpine loop. These are not an easy to buckle watch band, but when you get used to it, it's not bad. Hooking through a loop gets easier, and over time you can tell it'll never accidentally come off. First of all, the hook closure is angled just right, so it won't easily unhook when caught on something. And if that happens, the sewn-in loops keep the whole watch band from unstrapping. I chose this as my first color because it is an earthy kind of green that's neutral enough to match different outfits. Check it out. It's promoted for athletes in extreme conditions, but no, I find it working with everything from athletic to casual and quite possibly semi-formal, but I've yet to go out with it. Out of the three colors, I'd wear this the most as my everyday band because it's an earthy medium tone that can match a lot. Not too light to stand out so much, and not too dark to hide its texture. And you know I love it with activewear. It's so light and comfortable, you forget you have it on. Here it is with different watch faces. Because of the more rounded corners, a lot of the rounder watch faces look better on it. And the flat screen gives some of them a really cool effect. I just wish the bezels were a little thinner. Wayfinder in green seems to be my default for this combo. Starlight's a color we've got plenty of time to know. It's almost white and warmer, but not as warm as cream or beige, so it really does match everything. Some Star Wars vibes in some of these details though. Apple's always designed their bands with a good blend of function and clean minimal fashion. Take a look. Apple actually has it the other way where the loop is on top instead of the bottom, but I got used to doing it this way on the sport loops. Again, this is like white, so it can really go with anything from graphics to bold and other neutral colors. You can wear it clean or go crazy with it. Sometimes I like matching light watch faces with light watch bands like this. You can basically take the Wayfinder watch face and change it into any color. It would still work. It also tones down multicolor watch faces. On screen, for some reason, Starlight doesn't show as the best match for the Starlight watch band, but in real life, I can tell you it's a perfect blending color. Orange is actually brighter than I thought it would be, and to me, honestly, it looks better on screen, but that could be preference. It's more intense in person. This also reminds me of an REI store, which is all about the outdoors. I say they pulled it off pretty well. The hook has just enough curve to hug your wrist. Its design is modern enough to where it's utilitarian, yet has a clean minimalism Apple's known for. I love it. I mean, I was never into rugged watches until now. It still matches a variety of watch faces. Check it out. You can get away with multicolored watch faces because of its bright color. My favorite band for the default adventure watch face. So what did you think of these? Comment below. They were amazing to work with. I love the thickness and durability of the new Alpine loops. Apple really chose 3 good starter colors. I can't wait to see the future ones for these bands. I'll do an even more detailed video later on when we add tray loops to our collection in November, on top of the ocean bands also available. You know how far I go with watch bands. Excited to show you. I hope this helped. If so, give it a like or super thanks and subscribe for more. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching.